Pramanand, I just saw you here. If you are close by, please will you come on the field? Pramanand, will you please come down? David D'Souza, the national player. Gajan Kerkar, Hector Trinidad. Shanti Tople, Kishore Pout, Marcel Di Mello, Anthony Fernandez, Tommy Francis Fernandez, ex-GFA Vice President, Bras Menezes, our very own DYSP, and Sabas Afonso. If you are all here, please do come down. If you are not here, we will introduce a little later. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's truly a big honor for us to see so many important ex-footballers and dignitaries here amongst us, only to wish Jude on his very auspicious day. Could I also call on our chief guest, Margaret, also to be here, please. Anthony Fernandez, please. And Tibush of Shaza Goa. Where is Tibush? Where are you? Sorry if I missed out some names. Please do come. Okay, I would also like to call Matilda Fernandez, the better half of Jude Fernandez, to be here. Matilda, where are you? I have never seen you before. Will you please come down? We all want to see you. That you raised such a wonderful husband. It's truly a big honor today to see amidst us more than 50 players of repute from Goa, ex-footballers. Some of them, please, are still playing till today. You will have to start from there.
Good. How are you?
I saved the best guest for the last. Okay, before we take a group picture, I would like to introduce all the players. Could I have all the invitees stand here, please? Invitees, can you all kindly stand here? Invitees, can you kindly stand here? Okay, great. Narendra Gad, very good. Elvis Pereira, where's Elvis? Very great. My dear friends, these are all international players. Some of them are state players and have been playing for reputed clubs, but I have no time to give their designations now, so we'll do it very quickly. Claudio Pacheco. Hey, Baba, very famous Claudio. Samir Naik, of course, Temples. Pascal Pereira. Alex Alvarez, Tempo and Salgoncar. Alexander Fernandez. Alexander, are you here? No, not yet. Ah, he is here. Lino Pereira. Bruno is here. Are Baba, Bruno Coutinho. Zabdung Namar Maga. Jude Fernandez, of course. Dominic D'Souza. Okay. Benedict Fernandez. Agustin Rodriguez, Sagoncas, Sabi Di Costa, Alvin Fernandez, Fausto Lobo, Reggie Rodriguez. I'm the chief organizer. Joe Boy Pereira. Everybody loves Joe Boy. Where are you, Joe Boy? Celestine Fernandez. Ambrose Fernandez. And Lawrence Quadros. Is Lawrence reached here? He is here already. Well, now these were the North Goa veterans. But I have even a better lineup for you. That is from South Goa. Baba, mashe naam zarura hai. South Goa, we start with Sukuro Fernandez, ex-Salgonkar, Francisco Cardozo, John Fernandez, Jitendra, Robert Fernandez, Marcos Carvalho, Manoj Kesivkar, Jerry Fernandez, Santana Furtado, Vincent Colasso, Francisco D'Souza, Rosario Carvalho, Sheikh, Nazi Sheikh, Derek Pereira, our very own international player, Salgonkar and also Tatars, and Vinci Antao. Is he here? Ah, okay. He is managing the team. Osvaldo is also here. I think he is the team manager. Osvaldo, this is your team. Well, I want to know how many supporters South Goa brought. South Goa supporters, hey! North Goa kon na dista, no? North Goa? I have Thodasha, but I am complete support. Even the referees have been told to support South Goa. Well, Thomas Naugekar, give him a big hand, everyone. He's the center referee. Assisting him are Siddharth Power and Roshan Pednekar, both of them. Congratulations to everybody. Now could we have a group picture with all our dignitaries? Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he's here. Dominic D'Souza is here as well. Well, once again, welcome everybody. We are going to have a very special game today. This picture is for the ages. We are never going to get a picture like this, I think, again. So let's make it special.
I'm very happy to be here on the 60th, who was an excellent footballer, not only at the top level of with Salgonkars and the teams of Goa, but he had, I saw a multiple talent in him earlier.
Well, South Goa has won the toss and they have chosen the side. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request you to kindly stand at your
And
place
he was a complete
because we are
sports
going to
person,
observe a
but
minute
he
silence
chose football for his
for
career.
all the departed
And
players,
if thought to be more serious about the game,
ex-footballers,
I think would have definitely landed in the
sports
national team
lovers,
for a
people
long
who
time.
have supported the game,
Yeah,
who
very
have
happy to
passed
be here
away
and today
and
seeing
passed
all
on.
the past
Not only
footballers
this
who
year,
have
but
come
over the
here.
years. May I request everyone to kindly stand just for a minute
Come here,
as the
we can see a
referee
lot
will
of
blow the
faces.
whistle.
We can
for
see a lot of
minute's
faces here
silence
because
in
if
memory
we don't organize
of
such functions, we
all
can
our
even miss
ex-footballers,
all our
people who were
footballers
involved
who
in
had
the
given
game
us
and who loved
a
the
good
game.
company all
Thank
over
you.
the journey of the football in Goa, for my life at least, and I can see a lot of footballers here. Yeah.
Hi, we are coming here today for Jude's birthday celebration from North and South game जाल्या. पण पहिले सांगचे म्हणल्यार म्हाका एक I feel proud and privileged to say these things that Jude is a leader to organize after the veterans कितें जालां पळय ते veterans tournament start जाला न्हू आमी बार्देसाक खेळटाले आनी बार्देसाचें नांव इतलें वयर हाडलां कितले ट्रॉफी जिखल्या ते आमकां इट इज नंबर सांगूंक जावचो ना आमच्यान खूब ट्रॉफी हाडल्यो. But till at the age of 60, he is doing this thing, means it's a big privilege and big honor to us what he is doing. I feel proud that Jude is doing this. But Anya when I was in the school, when Jude allo hockey player allo Jude, and I know he is a good hockey player. He was an all-rounder. So 3 cheers for Jude and all the best and God bless him.
As informed,
आयज दुलेर ग्राउंडार
proceed to the
एक
hall for a small
वेटरन्साची
reception.
मॅच दवरलेली बिटवीन नॉर्थ गोवा वेटरन्स अँड साऊथ गोवा वेटरन्स आनी ही वेटरन्स मॅच दवरलेली आमच्या स्पेशल रिमेंबरन्स फॉर जूड आमचो जो जूड म्हापशेचो प्लेयर ताणें 60 years कंप्लीट केली म्हणून जुडान फुटबॉलाक लागून फ्रॉम म्हापसा हॅज कंट्रिब्युटेड खूब कंट्रिब्युशन्स केलां आनी तेजे कंट्रिब्युशन्स नॉट ओन्ली इन फुटबॉल तो दुसऱ्याय स्पोर्ट्सांनी जायते स्पोर्ट्सांनी एक्सेल जालो. हॉकी म्हणनाका, क्रिकेट, एथलेटिक्स, व्हॉलीबॉल, बॅडमिंटन, टेबल टेनीस आनी एक व्हडलें नांव बार्देसकारांक जुडा सारकिल्लो प्लेयर बार्देजान आसपाक. कित्याक जुडान न्हूच जायते टुर्नामेंट जिखून बार्देजान नांव दवरलें आनी आतांय तो बार्देस वेटरन्सांक लागून जायते तेणेन एफर्ट्स घेतले ही गेम फुडें व्हरपाक. जुडाक फूल बार्देजाच्या नांवान आनी फूल गोंयकारांच्या नांवान एक बरो फ्युचर हांव येता. देव बरें करूं.
Mapsa market side, they are in the green. We get a game underway, enjoy it.
जुड गेला
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Jude as he receives this honor. Thank you. But before that, let us give away the man of the match. Who you think is the man of the match today? I think Robert Fernandez deserves the man of the match. Robert Fernandez, I think truly he played extremely well today. So congratulations. Player, oldest player from south or the north? Come on, let's hear it. Semi, tell me who is the oldest from the north here. Guard, sang तुझे वर्षा किल्ली? 62 only? Baba, ina आमच्या असताना माने. 62. Anybody bigger than 62? Derek, no shame in telling because none of your girlfriends are here, so don't worry. You're 36. Okay, so he doesn't qualify. 62. So Narendra Gad, congratulations. Can you come and receive from Jude Oli the award for the oldest player? 63. This trophy is actually won by Derek and Shabazz is going to give this trophy. Congratulations. Isaac, thank you for your support for one of the trophies. I did not call you to give it away. I asked you to give it away, so my apologies. Okay, now we have the runners-up trophy. Could I call on Matilda Fernandez, the wife of Jude, to give away the trophy to the runners-up? Can we have the runners-up here, please? Runners-up trophy.
Sir.
Okay, now before we give away the winner's trophy, I know you will all run away after that. So before that, let us have to see what Jude has to say to us today. Jude, here.
Bardes Veterans, along with my wife and my daughter, has done. This game had started in July. They were kept discussing things. I was in the blue. I don't know anything. until the day we played in Taligaon. Nelson said, Jude, may I have 30th? I'm like, "Kida have 30th?" Pasquale also said, Jude, we'll be done 30th at July. I didn't know what was happening until 3 days back when it came on all the groups. So I thank especially Joe, Jackie, Lino, Ambrose, Celestine, Salu, and Minin. They all did this. And for me, it's such a big thing. Thank you for the South for coming all the way today to partake in this occasion, and the North players. Thank you once again to all the invitees, especially Margaret, wife of late Baptist, who was also.
Okay, come on, shall we all together? I want to see the North sings louder, the South sings louder. Shall we go and start? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Jude. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday dear Jude. Happy birthday to you.
May you have many
more. May you have many more.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
तुझ्या जन्माचं निसोडे कोसेजो. Happy birthday म्हणून आमच्या जुडाचो संसार 4 दिसाचो आसन खेळून बरो जाचो. मागता देवा लागीं ताणे आशीर्वाद तुजेर घालचो.
Thank you everybody, and now the captain of North Goa Veterans will collect the trophy from the winner's trophy from the hands of Mrs. Margaret, the wife of former Bardes Veterans player Baptist Fernandez, ex-camper as well. Congratulations North Goa Veterans for winning this trophy. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. It was a pleasure having you. Let's say 3 cheers for Jude. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Ani, 3 cheers for South Goa. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Okay, great. Thank you guys.